It seems that today is not very fun.
This is a foreman from various cities in Nanyang Kingdom.
And I spent a lot of time. Invited them.
Thank you for your hard work, brothers. Let's sit down, everyone.
Do you think I outnumber your opponents?
Losa, I didn't expect you to run for president too. This is for everyone.
When did I have ever been afraid of hard work? I remember to pay my brothers, to pay my salary. I carry 2 generations of money on my shoulders, climb 5 mountains. When did Mr. Jiang experience that kind of experience?
Our Patron Construction Federation, every company affiliated with, never owed migrant workers wages. We have all experienced Mr. Sun's experience.
I'm a migrant worker. As a legal person who adheres to the company commitment, I will never owe everyone a penny.
Be the president. Not only can you endure hardship, must be professional. I got a bachelor's degree in engineering architecture. I volunteer to serve everyone. Whoever agrees with or opposes.
It's too early to say who agrees and who opposes it now. You call it a bachelor's degree in the School of Engineering. You bought it. If you are a degree... so Yao Shuang is a doctor from the School of Engineering.
Now we have 3 campaigns. Mr. Jiang and Miss Wu. Let's start voting. Get up.
What are you doing?
Stand up.
Stand up.
Hurry up.
Do you know who my husband is?
I care who your husband is. Who dares to influence the smooth progress of the meeting today? You don't accept it and hit me?
Before voting, I would like to advise everyone, before voting to make a sacred choice, everyone consider it. Do your family agree with your choice?
What does he mean? What's the meaning? Call. Yes, call.
Who would dare to answer the phone today? I'll break your leg.
What's going on? Is anyone in your house picking? No one answered. What's going on?
Let's start voting. Do you agree with the choice you made?
This is the threat. He certainly controls the families of the participants.
It must be known to everyone in the world. What dirty things did he do?
Right.
He's really not a human.
Mr. Sun and Miss.
My family is the most important.
I vote for Michigan.
If you agree to me as the first chairman, please raise your hand.
President Jiang, since it's an election, it should be voted on. Every campaigner here, all have to conduct election speeches. I don't care if you're outside this office. What kind of activities did you do? But here we must follow the necessary rules.
Go. Sorry. You compete with Mr. Jiang. My daughter is in junior high school. The school just called. She was almost taken out. Got through this time. It doesn't mean you can escape the next time. Now quit. Please give yourself a high priority in the future.
What do you mean? I promise you, this has nothing to do with me.